to a new vlog. So right now I'm in Dordrecht. It's another city. Well, I don't know if it's like a city, but like I think it's a city, I guess. And yeah, I'm heading to my friend's house. This is the makeup of the day. It is raining a little bit currently. And yeah, this city, like, it's so cute. Like, I'm in the middle of the center right now, just walking, heading towards my friend's house. And yeah, oh my god, I've never been here before, so it's pretty exciting and really cool. Okay, so I got a little lost, but yeah, the girls are coming to get me, so hopefully I would just say that I am at Primark or something. So yeah, I'm so bad with navigation, you guys, like the fuck. And I was like following the map like on the point, so, but I don't know, like, yeah, what the fuck though. So now I'm just outside, just waiting for the girls. I'm so excited. We are exchanging Christmas gifts today. It is the 30th of, so it's like the last day of December. No, tomorrow is New Year's. So happy New Year's to everybody. Thank you so much for watching my channel in 2018, and I hope that I will be able to continue in 2019. Well, of course, I will do my best, and yeah, I will definitely do more videos. So yeah, so what I am giving is this wine bottle. So I got this like box, and I also got a soap of rituals. So by the time my friends are seeing this, they've already opened the gift. But that is what I'm giving to Elise. She's getting a wine bottle, and to Alissa is getting a rituals bottle. It's the orange one. I can't take it out of the package, but at least this is what I'm giving. I'm so excited. I haven't seen them in a long time. Well, I haven't seen Elise in a long time. I saw Alissa last week when we went for sushi, and that was so much fun. I think that vlog is already out right now, hopefully. Or else it will be coming soon. Hey! So now we are at Domino's, and we just got this free drink because we were waiting. And I mean, what the fuck? This place is cute though. Like really, it's new and everything. Like the one at my place is so bad. Like it doesn't look like this for sure. And then yeah, this is so cute though. Hello guys, so now we finished and it was a lot of fun. We had pizza. We actually ordered 3 pizzas, and yeah, it was so fun to see the girls again, and we had a lot of laugh. And yeah, Alissa was a little bit sick, but she'll be fine. And tomorrow is New Year's. I'm really excited about that. So yeah, my boyfriend is texting me right now. He's asking where I am. It's currently 10 o'clock. No, 21:30. So it's quite late, but I'm heading for the train station right now and I'm going home. So that's the update. Some people have been asking me lately how I vlog in public or like vlog in general, and literally I just like film myself with my camera, with my phone. But yeah, I thought I would show you guys a little bit how I do it. So for example, right now I'm like in public, just like walking around on the street, and then I have my camera. And I would really recommend you guys to, if you want to start vlogging, to get like the flip screen. So this screen can like flip up, or as I'm doing right now, I'm just watching myself on my phone, so that you can see yourself, like how you look and what the view is like and everything, because it makes it so much easier. A camera that is really good is the Sony Alpha 5000 if you want to start on a budget. That's a really good camera. And also the Canon G7X but Mark II, but it's more expensive. I mean, you can just start on your phone. And when it comes to like vlogging in public, it's just like film like yourself and just focus and concentrate on yourself, because basically nobody's gonna actually think it's weird, because well, they will think it's a little bit weird, but sometimes I got like comments like, oh, she's probably like a really big American vlogger or something, and I think that's really funny. But yeah, it's not that weird anymore. So vlogging is basically just something you gotta get used to. I have been doing it like, I've been trying to do it like every day or at least every couple of days, or like a couple of videos every like uh, every couple days to film, and then I get more and more used to it, like how to do it and like what type of angles I think is cute, and what, yeah, I get more used to it, and also editing is going a lot faster. So on the phone you can use the iMovie app that's for free on iPhone, and yeah, you can just edit on that for like the beginning. If you want to like really get started, I would just like recommend to just start on your phone, see if you like it, because if you buy like a camera, then it's not really like worth it if you don't like it, and then you just like have this all of this equipment that you can't really use. So yeah, so right now I'm at the train station. So usually when I vlog, I always tell you guys a little bit of what's going on and where I'm headed, or like what I'm doing, and that's basically the beauty of vlogging. You can always just say like what's going on, and you will have those type of memories, those memories forever, which I really like. I love that I can look back on like my trips and everything. For example, when I went to Maastricht like this week and everything, I love that. So here is a little footage of us on the boat in Maastricht. I thought I would show you guys, but a whole vlog will be up soon. And yeah, this is the view from the breakfast hotel. Like, look at this view, you guys. Like, oh my god, I was so shook. Like, look at this, the Christmas market, so amazing. And yeah, here I'm showing it again. Super, super beautiful. I was so happy. And here we are on the Ferris wheel. So I thought I would show you guys a little bit of the footage. And yeah, it is so nice. Like, you guys look at this view. So that vlog will be up soon. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.